Dumplings are a beloved culinary staple that transcends cultural boundaries, embodying both the simplicity and complexity of traditional and modern cooking. These delightful dough pockets, often filled with a variety of ingredients such as meats, vegetables, or sweet fillings, have a long history that spans centuries and continents. In China, dumplings like jiaozi and baozi have been a symbol of wealth and good fortune, especially during the Lunar New Year, reflecting their deep cultural significance. Similarly, in Japan, gyoza has become a popular dish known for its crispy exterior and savory garlicky filling. Eastern Europe brings us pierogi, with its comforting potato, cheese, and onion filling, often served at family gatherings and festive occasions. Italy's contribution comes in the form of ravioli, where pasta dough encases ingredients like ricotta and spinach, creating a dish that is both hearty and elegant. In the Himalayan regions of India and Nepal, momos are cherished for their spiced meat or vegetable fillings, typically served with a tangy tomato-based sauce. Each culture has developed its own unique way of making and enjoying dumplings, whether by boiling, steaming, frying, or baking, and the methods of preparation are as diverse as the ingredients used. Dumplings also play a role in modern cuisine, where chefs are experimenting with fusion flavors and unconventional fillings, bringing a contemporary twist to this age-old dish. Despite the variations in style and ingredients, dumplings universally symbolize warmth, comfort, and the joy of sharing a meal with others, making them a dish that continues to unite people across the globe.